Can you talk a little about the Yiddish music that you know, because you
All
it's
the
another
Yiddish
thing that
music
you do.
I know from WEVD, from the radio. I'm not kidding. I used to be glued to that box. At home we had, the radio was on top of the refrigerator, and I'd stay glued to that refrigerator. And that's how I picked everything. They had a lot of Jewish music. You ever hear the name Herschel Fox?
Sure.
You know Herschel?
Herschel and
is
Judy, yeah.
yeah, a very dear friend of mine. And he's a Yiddish performer.
Yeah.
And whenever, Herschel walks around the street and sings, he's always singing. And every song he starts, I continue. He says, "What is it? Where do you know all these songs from?" I said, "Where do I know them from? I know them from the radio. That's where I know them from."